What's up, guys? Got a simple metal fabrication project for today. Just going to be making a glove box for the 40, so let's get right into it.
Here is the dashboard. You can see that there's no actual box behind the door, so that's what we're going to make. And of course, the first thing I've got to do is install the dashboard. Now I just got to take some measurements, but the heater box and the cowl vent protrude into the area where I want to build the box, so that's going to add some complexity to the shape. Next, I made a cardboard template of the side of the box that I want to make first. Just going to transfer this to the sheet metal, then cut it out with an angle grinder. Now I'm just going to clamp this to my bench and put a couple bends in it. A quick test fit to make sure it clears everything, and then it's time to drill some holes. Now I got to take the dashboard back out again to bolt that piece in place. Next, I make a duplicate piece using the original template from the other side. Here I'm making the template for the top of the box, which I will also transfer to the sheet metal. Here's the start of the top of the box. I had to put a little jog in it to clear the main brace of the dashboard. Now I trace the sides of the box onto the top so I can cut it out to fit. Bolt that sucker in place, and now it's ready for a couple tacks. Here's the template for the bottom of the box. The slots I'm cutting into it are relief cuts for the hinges on the glove box door. It fits like a glove, so now let's tack it in place. Now I'll tack the back of the box in place, and then it's ready for final welding. I know it was completely unnecessary to grind down all the welds on the outside of this box, but it's the things that you do that no one's ever going to see that make for a quality build. Here's the finished box in its entirety. Time to see if it'll fit, which means now I gotta put the dash back in. A half a dozen grade 8 bolts later, and this project is done. So here's the glove box, just behind this glove box. I think it turned out pretty good. Should hold a lot of stuff, and that's what I was trying to accomplish.
Well, that's going to be it for this one. I know it was just a simple project, but there's more to come, so keep watching, and I guess I'll see you next time.